Today, we'll look at the next step in the Micro series. A special upgrade for this one, though. Let's check out the Micro 2 TV. One of my favorites, the PicoPix Micro 2 TV. This projector is the successor to the Micro, but in a bigger way than the Micro 2. They've added Google Android TV. That's right, this is the Micro 2 TV, which comes with the Android TV operating system, OK Google, Chromecast, and all the streaming apps you could ever ask for. Philips Projection added a USB-C video port that changes how you can connect to devices. And of course, the HDMI connects you to even more. And if you don't have the cables or you just don't want to deal with them, the Google Cast connects wirelessly to endless devices and keeps your entertainment on track without skipping a beat. The speakers can keep up with you now. With two 3-watt speakers, you're able to share the experience with friends and family wherever you bring the Micro 2 TV. With a max display width of 80 inches and auto keystone and rotation, the Micro 2 TV comes prepared for anything you might throw at it. All you do is place it, use the manual focus ring, and you're ready to share your projection in 480p. The Micro 2 TV comes with a smart remote, tripod, a pouch, and adapters for any plug. The Micro 2 TV also has buttons on the device to navigate the menus no matter where you bring it. Speaking of bringing it anywhere, you can do just that. With a battery that lasts up to 3 hours, Philips really gave the Micro 2 TV enough juice for you to bring it everywhere and never stop the party just because there's nowhere to plug in the power cord. The Micro 2 TV offers unmatched entertainment options with the Android TV OS, and with it, you'll never find yourself bored. Bringing Android TV to the party has made the PicoPix Micro 2 TV a device that truly offers unparalleled entertainment options. I can only hope the next time I'm out and about, I have the Micro 2 TV with me, so I'm always ready to rock.